Hello everyone, welcome back. So today what we're going to learn? We're going to learn one small homework. Actually it's not a homework, I would say. It's actually one of the alien tests which I had given to most of my students today. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. This will be a solution for that question. Okay, so how do we start? Okay, the question is as follows. Okay, open the drafting drawing. Okay, open the drawing, drafting settings, and then starting at absolute 3,6, create an object geometry using the following dimensions, using the dimension shown above. Okay, what's the distance from point A, that is this point, to D? Okay, so I think what we can do is, for making us copy paste this drawing here, say not copy paste, designing or creating this drawing, we need to create two layers. Okay, so let's create two layers. This is not required, but just let's create two layers. Okay, one is, let's say, the object layer. Okay, and let's keep him as yellow or green or whichever color you like. Okay, and then click this, so make it selected. Fine. The another thing is this dashed line. Can you see this dashed line? These two dashed lines. Okay, so for that what you will do, create one more layer called center line. Any comments? And let's keep him as green color. Okay, and the line weight we shall keep him as center line. Let's say, I think this looks good. Okay, I think we can just keep that as it is. Okay, click and say load and say sorry. Say, okay, say this one. Say okay. Do you want to reload? Yes. I would say okay, and my friend is in this layer. Fine. Okay, make sure object layer is current. Okay, and let's keep moving forward. Okay, first thing is what? First create this point 3,6 at 3,6. Okay, and he's given it the word clearly absolute 3,6. Okay, so what's the procedure? First type L enter. Why? I want to draw a line. You can draw a polyline, not an issue. Okay, L enter. Fine. So first point, it says absolute. Absolute means what? With respect to 0, 0. Hashtag, or for some people who say pound, 3,6. And say enter. Okay, now what we do is 8.75. Okay, and then 0, enter. 4, isn't it? We keep on we're adding those lines now. 3.5, and then we said a 4, 47 degree, enter, and then 6. Yeah, keep moving forward. 6, and then 90, 11. Okay, now what's the trick is, okay, actually we can do something like this. Okay, we can do polar tracking, object snap tracking, and then we can come here. This is good, but the question, if you see, he says that make these dashed lines. Okay, so fine, what we can do is actually we can do it in different methods. Let me show you something called as human method. I wouldn't say human method, but just something like this. Okay, and then remove F8. Okay, here I'll show you. This is alien method. Okay, what I did was something like this. Okay, I show human method and alien. Alien method is just hover there, come straight down. Okay, press F8. So you are 100% at this point. Now we want the other point. Sorry. So come, same story. Where is this? F8. Ortho. Keep just keep here. Make it hot. And when you see F8, tell him thank you. Isn't it? I hope this is clear. Okay, similarly, I just removing F8 now, remove object snap tracking off. Okay, I am free now. We will need to fix the angle at 35 degree, isn't it? So it is 180 plus 35. How much is it? 215. Tap. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, just keep it like this. I'll tell you one thing. Why I tell you, just keep it like this, don't worry. Okay, then what we will do is change the layer to center line. Good. Then what I will do, See, there's a trick here. Okay, it's not a trick. This is an information. Okay, see, if this is current, this is called a drop-down menu. Okay, if this is center line, okay, that means anything which I'm going to draw now moving forward would be in center line. Let's say if I changed it to, let's say, object. So any object whichever I am going to draw, okay, if by layer and whatever is selected, I'll be drawing in that layer. Okay, so we want to draw the center line. I'm drawing you the human method. Okay, so just draw the line. Let's say this point to this point. So I would say this one, yeah, this one to this one. Okay, you will not be able to see the scale because I need to scale it. Fine. Anyway, and another one will be from here to keep going straight. I would say perpendicular, isn't it? No, he's not helping me. So what I will do is, listen, I need it to be F8. So let's say ortho, just go like this, don't worry. I think I can say something called as intersection, isn't it? Done. Sorry. Okay, this point, shift right click, I would say intersection. Yeah, intersection. Okay, click. Sorry. Okay, shift right click and intersection. Perfect. Click. What's happening? Okay, intersection is 2 points, isn't it? Okay, I'll tell you one thing, just click one more point anywhere, don't worry. I think the scale is giving me headache. I'll tell you one thing, press F3. Just keep pressing F3. I'm pressing F3 here. Just click here. Okay, see what's happening is because of the object style which I used here, line weight, I would say, come here, line type. Let's say load, we have something called a center line. This looks good. Okay, set to current, say okay. Isn't it? This looks much better. Okay, so now what we will do is, okay, at this intersection we need to draw a line. So what we will do is first trim it, or instead of trim, why don't we do fillet? Select this, select this. Not happy. Okay, fillet, select this point and press shift to press this. Okay, anyway, now let's say right click, something called as add selected, isn't it? He will do all the drama. Remove the object snap, not sorry, ortho, click here. See, we finished the object now. Copy paste, I won't say copy paste, isn't it? We have done it. Okay, then what you do, click measure from where end point to end point. What's the distance? 13.18. Okay, now this is your question. Open the drawing. What is the answer? So answer is 13.18. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Okay, we did learn something like, what all we did learn today? We learned something called as object snap tracking, isn't it? Then we also learned how to create center lines, isn't it? How did we do that? We went to the layers properties, under line type, isn't it? We clicked load, and then we loaded whatever line type we wanted, isn't it? And then we said okay. Here we learned something called as fillet, isn't it? Fish fillet, not fish fillet, AutoCAD fillet. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class, and I think that's it. Take care and bye.